Good morning, students. We are coming on the second factor of the healthy life, that is proper exercise and rest, which is very much required for the healthy life. So exercise means, when the different limbs are having its proper movement in a systematic way, all the limbs will be functioning properly, and it will be giving the proper development of the total health and the mind. So that's why when it is regular exercise increase muscle size, strength and endurance of the body. Second thing is that liver deliver oxygen nutrition to the tissues. It is helping to increase the heart and limbs more efficiently. So it is supply more oxygen to brain for better functioning of the nervous system. And when the nervous system is better functioning, that means you can think it properly, and you will be more intelligent and more smarter. So that's why the more oxygen to the brain will be helping us to better functioning. Next, it is improves the mood. When you will be going through the exercise, you will see that your mind condition will be changed. You will be feeling pleasure, and from that pleasure you can do the things more effectively and correctly. So it can control your weight when you are going through the exercise, proper exercise. So your body weight will be controlled, because nowadays you can understand the obesity is one of the major problem of the students, of the human being. So proper and regular exercise is required just to improve the mood and to control the weights. It is provide better coordination of the limbs for the physical activities. When you are going through the exercise, it is giving you the much more better limb conditioning and functioning, so that when you are going through any work, games and sports are also the exercise, proper regular exercise. So you have to have the proper games and sports so that you will be healthy one. So next thing is required to proper rest and sleep. So for the proper rest means after doing the work, the body limbs are having the fatigue, and just to remove that fatigue, so it is required a proper rest and sleep. It will be removing your fatigue and stress. It will be keep your heart healthy. It helps to be alert. It will be giving you more alertness to your mind, and to remember the things and process the things better. You can arrange the things better when you will be with the proper rest. So everything you will be fresh, and you will be going with the more active in all your functions. So it will help the body make to repair. Suppose when you are tired, so when you are taking proper rest and sleep, when you will be coming out with a proper rest and sleep, you will be seeing that your body has been rejuvenated, and you are getting energy, and you are getting the fresh mind just to do the work. So you will be seeing more smarter when after taking the proper rest and sleep. Thank you.